Bye, Kennywood.
Pick him up. We're gonna run.
No, I can't pick him up. He's heavy. We can't run. We just stay here. He's gonna pull out, ain't he? Or is he gonna wait for us?
I don't know.
Where the hell's Casey?
Casey and him, I don't know where they're at. Go to the college and we're in. Alright, well then we'll meet up with them as soon as.
Oh, I just got lightning on video. Let's go. Hold on, I'm getting video. Go.
Hold my hand.
Oh, this sucks. It's cold. Where's he at? See you later. Bye. See ya. Told you. Oh, snap. Sean already got hit by love. Where is he? Did he pull out? You see his car? Well, then you don't see his car?
Better.
Come on, Cody. Come on, Cody.
Alright, you go like this.
Bye, Kennywood. Kennywood's up, man. Woo! Kennywood's up, man. Hurry up. Get the kids in first. Lock it.
Oh my goodness.
Come on.
What the?
Open it.
We're trying. We're
Yeah.
not trying.
Good in. There's no room for me.